How many of you have one of these spray cans? You notice something? Each one of them has a spray tube. Today on Steve Robb Reviews, I'm going to show you the ultimate hack when it comes to anybody who's a do-it-yourselfer, automotive enthusiast, or just somebody that's frustrated with these cans with them spray tubes. So let's get to it right now. Here we have a brand new can of 3-in-1 silicone lubricant. And of course it comes with this straw. And how many of you have had the straw? You put the straw in and next thing you know, boom, it comes flying out. And you're lucky if you can find out where it actually flew off to. Sometimes it might go down a door panel, it could go anywhere. What do? This is a great little hack right here. This is the product I use, this Gorilla Glue gel. And I just apply some just on the outside of the tube. Don't get it inside the tube itself. And then just go over to your container and just feed it in. And that's it right there. That tube will never come out. And have you ever been frustrated with these tubes before like that? Well, this is the ultimate hack right here. Well, what do you think of that? Guys, I tell you what. If you don't seal yours in, they will just pull out like that and just, you know, forget it. It's not going to work, right? So the best thing you can do is, I don't know if you can see it or not there, but yeah, that's in there for good. And you have to do it when the can is new. You can't contaminate it all first and expect the product to work. Now I am using these tubes of Gorilla Glue gel. They seem to work terrific. There's other super glues out there. I don't like the runny ones because they just don't seem to hold up very good at all. They just more or less run off by the time you insert it. The gel seems to work good. And how many times have you guys had one of these containers like this one here? You got to shake it up, right? And when the tube's on, guess what? The tube falls off half the time too. Or if you're spraying somewhere, whatever the lubricant is, next thing you know, it's down in the motor, and where is the tube, right? It should be on the end of here. So whenever I get a brand new can with a brand new tube, I Gorilla Glue it. Now, in the future, I'm going to test out this Gorilla Glue on other stuff, and if it doesn't work, you're going to hear it from me, because I test everything as honest as possible, and for me, I like this product for gluing in them spray tubes, because I found it was way too frustrating chasing all over the shop. Where did that tube go? You've all been there, right? Okay, so thanks for joining me here today, and I hope you liked that little bit of a hack. And come back again if you haven't seen this channel before. Well, you're welcome to subscribe. Cheers now.